Emergency alert. Ballistic missile threat inbound. Seek shelter immediately. Do not leave your home. Go to the furthest center of your home and keep away from windows. I repeat, ballistic missile threat inbound. Seek shelter immediately. This is not a drill.
Good Friday morning! If I had known this was going to be my last meal, I would have spent $40 on those 2 ribeyes at Walmart. $40! We got a chuck steak here. We're going to marinate it. We're going to coat it with kitchen bouquet. And we're going to make a steak. Oh! Fortunately, I made the fixings yesterday, and we're going to make it better hollandaise. 1 yolk, 1 tablespoon of butter. This is the only thing we're making fresh today. I spoke to my brother. He said we have about 30 minutes, I think. And I cooked the whole thing. The problem with this is it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to soak. So I figure we got about 10. We take into account the cooking time. So we're just going to pour it on. Rub it in. Oh! It's cold. That is a cold end of the world steak. I'm just saying. Serves me right. Oh! Serves me right for watching all those World War III videos on YouTube. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna let this sit. Beautiful. I'll let this sit for 10 minutes. What I really want, I got you. Bless you. What I really want is sushi. I've said more than once that I should do a video about my kitchen knives, my kitchen cutlery, steak knives. We don't have time. We're gonna use these today. I've had these for about 7 years and I've never sharpened them. I bought them used. You ready? Oh. They're Laguiole acrylic tortoise shell. These are the most beautiful knives I've ever seen. They sell for about $400 up, but I bought them used. And I know I got them over 7 years ago because I bought them when my dad was still with us, bless his soul. That's what we're going to use. I love this one. Oh, it's like cream and amber colored. I love this knife. Oh, but I haven't sharpened them. They've just been sitting for 7 years in the box. I don't care. That's what we're doing today. Before the end of the world. Egg yolk is for our hollandaise sauce. We need more time. Oh. Come on, man! We don't have time! Fuck! Butter, extra tablespoon, cup of milk. Just pat it dry a little bit. Oil in the pan. Stressed out, I tell ya. Sauteed broccoli and red onions and her homemade mashed potatoes. Let's put this over here. No room for anything. There's no room at the end of the world. Damn it! Where's the packet? What'd I do with the packet? Egg yolk! Come on, heat up! Hey, this is my living home kitchen 12-inch skillet. I love this pan. One of the best purchases I ever made. Living home kitchen. You're lucky if you can find one once in a while. They're usually kind of beat up. Copper core throughout the whole base. We are on the clock. An extra tablespoon of butter and an egg yolk. Forget about it! Oh man, I just want to eat this. Okay. Here we go. Pepper. Salt. A little lemon. There's my Chuck steak at the end of the world. Goodbye, Chuck. Oh, okay. I hope we have time to rest it. I don't know why I'm cleaning the pan. It's the end of the world. These. Oh, I love this stuff. We're gonna put some in here for dipping. Oh, holy moly! Is that not one of the most beautiful knives you've ever seen? I love tortoise shell. Let's take a bite of the potatoes. We love hollandaise. Make it better hollandaise. Oh, God, that's good. Sauteed broccoli and onion. Oh. Oh man, that's okay. I'm prepared. That's okay. I got our Coleman, battery operated Coleman. Is that gonna work? Boy, I was so close. Okay, here we go. Goodbye, Chuck. Oh yeah. Okay. This goes in the hollandaise. Thanks for joining me this end of the world Friday. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say?